my data pipeline has been built and I've cleansed and enriched the data, but now I need to make sure that it stays clean. And so to do that, I can use the suite's Data Observability service to monitor any unexpected changes in the data. And I'm going to access that by clicking right here within the catalog over to Data Observability. And here within Data Observability, I can see my customer cleanse table that was created out of my data quality pipeline. And as I select this table, I can apply different data observability metrics, such as looking at the freshness of the data, any skews in the volume, any drifts in the data, or the schema itself. And the configuration option allows me to use different artificial intelligence parameters here, where I can be notified of confidence-based alerts. So if the data drops into a yellow or red territory, it will look for patterns and anomalies and will send me a notification. Or I can use threshold-based alerts where I can set the value myself. So as I set up this observer, I can also choose to run it on a schedule, whether I want to run it daily or weekly at a given time. And I can also choose other team members that might need to be notified of the changes of the data. So if my entire data ops team wants to see how this information is changing, or downstream business users or data analytics users that are using this data set. So I'm going to save this observer. And what the observer does is it then allows us to see different alerts on the data as it changes. So we can see within this table that we have a critical alert here for a change in volume. We have a drop off in the amount of the volume over a day. And so this is helpful in being able to give our data and analytics team a look ahead into how the reporting might be off, or perhaps give a notification to our governance team that this information has changed in some way and there might be a business disruption that will occur as a result of it. So now that we're monitoring this information, let's make sure that we're applying the right governance parameters to make sure that we have ownership and accountability to take care of the data going forward. All right, so we can use the suite's data governance service to set the right governance parameters, such as making sure that we have a right data owner assigned, a data steward, and that this information is certified and ready for use. And our diagrams also give us great visualizations to understand more information about this data, such as where this information flows within the environment, how it's used in different business processes, so we can understand how it impacts our operational teams. And lastly, our business impact diagram that gives us a picture into the relationships of what business objectives, processes, and metrics this information drives. And this all helps us make better governance decisions so that we can provide incremental value to the ADC global team.